Welcome to this tutorial on how to decorate and make your staircases sexy, full of character, romance-inducing and beautiful using items from within your home and or inexpensive items sourced online. We will also be discussing the use of recycled items to add a unique touch to your staircase. Step 1. Assess the current condition of your stairs. The first step in decorating your stairs is to assess their current condition. Are they in need of a fresh coat of paint or stain? Are the steps worn or uneven? Take note of any repairs that may need to be made before you begin decorating. Step 2. Add a pop of color. One of the easiest and most impactful ways to add character to your stairs is to add a pop of color. This can be done by painting the risers or the threads in a contrasting color or adding a colorful stair runner. If you want to add a unique touch, you can also try using a patterned or textured wallpaper on the risers. Step 3. Incorporate lighting. Lighting can add a romantic and inviting ambience to your stairs. Consider adding a statement light fixture at the base of the stairs or installing small lights on the steps themselves. String lights or fairy lights also make for a great addition and can be easily wrapped around the banister. Step 4. Add plants and flowers. Plants and flowers are a great way to add life and color to your stairs. You can place small pots of herbs or succulents on each step or hang a trailing vine along the banister. For a more dramatic effect, place a large potted plant at the base of the stairs. Step 5. Incorporate art and decor. Art and decor items can add character and personality to your stairs. Consider hanging a gallery wall of family photos or artwork on the wall above the stairs. You can also add a statement piece of decor, such as a sculpture or mirror, at the base of the stairs. Step 6. Use recycled items. Using recycled items is a great way to add a unique touch to your stairs and also be environmentally friendly. You can repurpose old wooden crates or pallets to create a rustic look, or use an old ladder as a unique banister. You can also use reclaimed wood to create a statement wall or feature steps. Step 7. Incorporate inexpensive items sourced online. You can also incorporate inexpensive items sourced online to decorate your stairs. Shopping online can provide you with a wide variety of options and at a more affordable price. From vintage rugs, tapestries, lanterns, vases to other decor items, you can find them all online. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can turn your stairs into a beautiful and inviting space that is full of character and romance. Remember to have fun and let your personal style shine.